Hi friends, today we're going to unbox the spring box. I have to say, every box opening gets me super excited. Seeing this image always brings me joy and pride. Now let's take a look at what we've chosen for the spring box. You can see all the items for customizing your phone case here. I purposefully chose these. Let's examine in detail. Firstly, I want to show you the colors I picked for the spring box, because these colors are very special to me. Blue, purple, pink, they're colors that certainly remind me of spring. I can say that these are the colors that make my life meaningful. I chose the items in the box according to these colors. I thought it would be better to start with papers, because they are essential for the phone case. I've always had a pleasure in untying the strings. This time, I decided to go for softer colors. I wanted them to match the spring colors we picked. Here's the other paper I chose. I really like this series and I use it a lot in the cases I make. I'll show you up close now. There are also small bits of paper on the back that you can definitely use. I'll show these to you later. Let me show you the prints first. Quite high quality. I adore the colors. You can use these little ones in your daily planners. I am fond of these round ones too. I chose this product on purpose because it has very aesthetic elements inside. Let's have a closer look. Look at the elegance of these flowers. I love the image in the special corner. I am a big fan of flower stickers. And these, in my opinion, are essential for spring. There are a lot of them in here. I'll give you a detailed look. They are all very elegant and eye-catching. I want to show you a closer look. Look how cute this is. I really like this one as well. And of course, butterflies, which are indispensable for me. I have mentioned butterflies in almost all my works, because it is a very special creature for me. It symbolizes birth, transformation, and rebirth. I can show you in detail. The details are really fine, and they look really nice. I think we should put this butterfly on our cover, because it looks so beautiful. I think that both the cases complement the use of these products, and they're really visually beautiful. The prints are also really high quality. Would you look at this? The stars look really beautiful. I can't wait to use them. I'd like to show you this product in particular because I love to use words and writings in cases. There's a special request in this. There are different colors, different inscriptions, different words in it. Here's how I can show it to you up close. These will be really useful for us. The other indispensable part for me is the tapes. I chose these specifically because I couldn't resist the sweetness of these. I think the fact that it contains certain shades of pink, purple, and blue will complete our cover. Especially look at the sweetness of this one. I want to show it to you more closely. It's adorable. That's our other tape. I chose it in shades of purple. It looked pretty good. Let's take a closer look. I can't wait to use them. These types types of products look especially great in cases. I left this product particularly for you. I was really curious about what was happening inside. I wanted to increase my excitement a bit. Let's examine it together. I think they are going to make the cases we make really colorful and decorate them. I can say that they are very cute, especially in these boxes. You can use it as a trendy wallet recently. Now I want to show you the girls I really admire up close. Look at how cute these are. The prints are also high quality. I hope I was able to show you the products nicely. See you in my next phone case making video. Goodbye, I love you.